Hello everyone, to record in AVI format, you can go to the Outputs windows and find the AVI file. Click on the gear button to do the settings. You can do the settings right here. Select the directory path you want to save your recording file, click the browse button. In this video, I will be using desktop. After that, click OK. In the video codec, select the encoder you want. It has a few samples for you to choose. You can configure the encoder by clicking the config button. It will pop up the encoder property for you to configure. After done, click OK. To start record, click on the play button. When the recording is success, the icon will appear right here. You can also check the status of your record by clicking this button. So you can see the details over here. To stop, just click on the stop button. You can now check your recorded file in the directory you saved. So let's go to desktop. So as you can see, the recorded file is right here. By default, the recorded file name is saved as the format of the current date and time in AVI format. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.